Hi there guys, few minutes ago I observed that how to recover your steering perfectly to its original position. Firstly, I will turn on the engine. Now I have turned on the engine. Now I will show you by traveling without doing anything. Now I will just go up to some distance and I will show you. The steering will not return to its original position. As you can see guys, it stays on like that. It will not return to its original position. What we should do is, I will tell you in a bit. Please wait for it. I am coming to zero, parking the car right here, pulling the handbrake. Now what you should do is, watch it carefully. Now we are at the center position. Completely turn it to left. Check it once again. Now completely turn it to right. You will hear a clicking sound. You have heard a clicking sound guys. That's the sign that your steering is activated. Now I will show you by taking U-turn. Now putting it into first gear. Now I will take complete U-turn. The steering will return to its original position. I will show you in a bit. Now it got activated. As you can see guys, it got activated. For your reference, I will show you it once again. Coming to zero, pulling up the handbrake, turning off the engine. Let it turn off completely. Now let us turn on the engine again. Turning on the engine. I am doing nothing. That handbrake is activated. I am not traveling up to any distance. Now rotating the steering to complete right. You cannot hear any clicking sound here, but when you rotate it to complete left, you can hear a clicking sound. Notice it. Observe carefully guys. As you heard, it gave a clicking sound. That means that your steering is activated. Now let us check it by traveling some distance. As you can see guys, it will return to its original position without any problem. It is returning to its original position. That's the way how you should activate. I have also observed it in previous few minutes. Firstly, I thought that we should go above 40, but no need. It just takes few minutes, few seconds. Other YouTubers are saying that in many ways we should travel up to some distance, we should take U-turns. No need of anything guys. Just what you should do is put it into, I came to zero. The engine is off. No, engine is off. Turning off the engine again, turning on the engine again. Turn down the engine, handbrake is up, neutral. Now what we should do is just turn it to complete right first. Now again turn it to complete left. Now you will hear a clicking sound. Hear it carefully. As you heard, it gives a clicking sound. That's the sign that the steering got activated. Till now we have checked the steering by rotating it to complete right and then rotating it to complete left. Now let us check it by rotating it to complete left first and then the right. Now let us start the engine. I am not going anywhere. Now let us check it by rotating complete left first. You did not hear the clicking sound. Now I will rotate it to complete right. Now you will hear the clicking sound as far as I think. Watch it guys. Now it is locked. Now let us check it whether the steering is locked or not. I will travel up to some distance. Now let us check it guys. It is returning to its original position. we can do in two ways. We can do by turning complete left at first and then turning complete right. Otherwise we can do complete right at first and then turning to complete left. We should do anything in two ways. We can follow anything. As you can see, it is returning to its original position without any effort. There might be a doubt for you whether the steering will get activated only by turning complete left. Now let us check it. I am in neutral, handbrake pull down. It will not matter whether it is pulled up or not. Turning the steering to complete left. Okay. As far as me, I did not hear any clicking sound. Now let us continue our journey. Putting it into first gear. Now let us check it whether the steering got activated or not. It is not activated. As you can see, it is not activated. So it will not activate if we only turn the steering to complete left. We should definitely turn the steering in both ways. Now I am turning on the engine. Handbrake is pulled up. Till now we have checked complete right and then left, complete left and then right, only left. Now let us take only right. Now I am turning the steering only towards the right side. Now let us check it. Putting down the handbrake, putting it into first gear. Now let us check it, guys. It will not get activated. As you can see, it did not get activated. So finally, from my side, please turn the steering to complete right or to complete left in order to get the steering activated so that it returns to its original center position. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more genuine videos related to Magnite.